Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your normal photo into an elegant portrait with a mysterious owl concept using the Dream Face app. It's simple, aesthetic, and totally free to try. So let's get started. First, just open Dream Face app. If you don't have it yet, you can download it from the Play Store. And then once installed, just open the app and log in using your Google account. And don't worry, Dreamface will offer a free plan that will give you weekly credits, so you can generate several images or even short video each week without paying anything. And then next, after you log in, you will see the home page like this. Just tap on AI filters. In here is where all the amazing filters are. And then just tap on new array sections. Just tap on it and then look for monochrome filters. This one, just tap on it. This filter will give your photo a high and elegant black and white portrait look, perfect for the owl concepts we're going for. Next, just select the photo that you want to transform. Make sure it's a clear portrait photo, that your face should be visible and valid for the best results. And once you're done, select the photo, just tap on animate. Like this, and that's it. In just a few moments, Dreamface will process your photo and give it that classy monochrome artistic vibe like this, complete with the owl on your shoulder. And okay, that's it. Your elegant owl portrait is ready. It looks cinematic, stylish, and yes, totally unique. Perfect for a profile picture or maybe art projects. And okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.